First, what it offers on paper. The XC830 UA91 comes with an Intel Celeron J4125 quad-core processor, up to 2.7 GHz, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 256 GB NVMe SSD. That's more than enough for basic tasks: web browsing, Word, Excel work, streaming videos, or school-related tasks. And it boots fast thanks to the SSD. The system also includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a DVD writer, and a full set of ports: USB, HDMI, VGA, making it very usable right out of the box. In everyday use, starting up Windows, opening Office apps or browser tabs, the PC performs smoothly and feels snappy. For someone upgrading from an old HDD-based computer or using it for light tasks, this kind of responsiveness is worth noting. Simple tasks open quickly, and documents, photos, even light video playback work comfortably. But there are limitations, which may catch some buyers off guard. The CPU and integrated graphics are very entry-level. The Celeron J4125 and Intel UHD Graphics 600 are designed for light workloads, not heavy tasks. So if you plan on gaming, video editing, graphic design, or anything resource-heavy, don't expect great performance. Second, upgradability is limited. The memory maxes out at 8 GB, and there's no official room for adding more RAM. That means once you start pushing the system, multiple browser tabs, several apps, or heavier programs, you'll likely hit performance limits sooner rather than later. There are also real-world issues worth noting. Some users report slow Wi-Fi reconnects or boot problems after months of use. Others note that installing a more powerful GPU is not feasible due to the system's power supply and motherboard design. In short, this PC is fantastic as a basic home, office, or multimedia PC, perfect for students, light users, or as a secondary computer. But it's not future-proof. Don't expect it to handle heavy workloads, gaming, or major upgrades. If you buy it, treat it as a starter PC. Good for now, but limited if you push it too far. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest PC reviews and buying guides. Hit the notification bell so you never miss updates. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.